The Stay Alert warning in your Subaru is part of the EyeSight driver assist technology. It uses a camera to monitor your face for signs of drowsiness or distraction. If detected, it alerts you with a chime and a dashboard warning. This system aims to prevent accidents caused by impaired driving and is standard in most Subaru models since 2016. Common causes for the warning include genuine fatigue, distraction like looking away from the road, poor lighting conditions affecting camera accuracy, or less commonly, system malfunctions like a miscalibrated camera. Software glitches can also trigger false positives. If you receive a stay alert warning, first pull over safely and take a break. The system usually resets after a short period of attentive driving. You can adjust the system's sensitivity in your car's settings through the infotainment system. Access the controls using the buttons on the steering wheel and center console. Clean the camera lens on the dash and ensure nothing is obstructing its view. If the problem persists, it may require professional attention at a Subaru dealer for camera recalibration or software updates. Camera replacement can cost between $200 to $500, and keeping up with software updates via Subaru Starlink can help reduce false alerts. Consider preventative measures like ensuring you're well rested before driving to avoid the warning altogether.